Pyar, ishq or love. Love is in the air and love, they say, is a funny fuzzy feeling that fires up the heart and lights up the soul. And what could be better than finding two people deeply in love, getting ready to sanctify their bond? And what you get is a beautiful celebration called marriage.
I, Himanshu, promise to take you Shraddha
Promise to take you, Himanshu, as my lawfully wedded husband
and my chief travel companion in sickness and health, in business or economy.
or in those very, very rare times you take me hitchhiking on a bullock cart.
I promise to love, honor and cherish your shopping.
Your taste of music, no matter how putting off.
Your non-stop, sometimes irritating chattering, but which makes you so endearing.
Till death do us apart.
आज हम आए हैं हिमांशु और श्रद्धा की डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग के लिए, which is being held at the beautiful beach state, Goa. This is Megha, who is actually Himanshu, हमारे दूल्हे की छोटी बहन.
Hi, I'm Megha. I'm from Delhi. मैंने इन दोनों को इसलिए चूज किया शो के लिए क्योंकि they make a beautiful couple. दोनों थोड़े से weird है, but still they are the best. So I think they're perfect for the show.
ये है हिमांशु, हमारा ग्रूम टू बी, जो है दिल्ली का निवासी, इंडिपेंडेंट बिजनेसमैन एंड वर्ल्ड ट्रैवलर.
बचपन में तो मेरी और हिमांशु की बहुत लड़ाई होती थी. एकदम जंगली वाली हरकतें थी उसके. पूरे घर में ऐसे खौफ सा बचा के रखता था. बट थोड़ा शांत हो गया, मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सेटल्ड, मोर सोफिस्टिकेटेड. मिलिए हमारी ब्राइड टू बी, चंडीगढ़ की कुड़ी श्रद्धा से. अपार्ट फ्रॉम बीइंग अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, शी इज आल्सो अ ट्रैवल जंकी. Me and Shraddha go very well along together, touch wood. We have long gossips, we talk over the phone, we go shopping together, we like to eat, that's the common thing. मैंने सुना है कि for the special couple आपने कुछ सरप्राइज प्लान किया है, जो हम सबको पता करना क्या है सरप्राइज? देखो सरप्राइज तो I'm not going to tell you, मैं नहीं बताने वाली सरप्राइज, but I have a lot of secrets. I can tell you one of the secrets if you want. We love secrets. What is the secret? हिमांशु और श्रद्धा की शादी जरूर होने वाली है, and you know what the funny part is that only me and a few friends know that actually how they met. अच्छा. So are you going to tell us or are we going to find out? You have to find it out. That's all I'm saying.
We should ask Himanshu on that, how that curtain opened.
जितना मुझे मालूम है कि 5 years back, not 5-7 years back.
I honestly don't know the story. To be very honest.
I know that they've been dating for some time.
शायद मैंने कभी पूछा नहीं, बस वो मिल रहे हैं, शादी कर रहे हैं. That's more than enough.
कोई कुछ बता ही नहीं रहा यार. तू बताएगा? कोई नहीं बता रहा यार. हिमांशु और श्रद्धा, तुम ही बताओ यार, तुम लोग मिले कैसे थे?
We actually met through a common friend of ours 6-7 years back. She was my best friend in college. I was studying in Pune. He had just started working and we were college kids, so she knew him. So it's like, अच्छा कोई आ रहा है जॉब वाला, हमको खिला पिला देगा बाहर. Me at that time he was like, अच्छा someone who's 4 years elder to me, so should I call him Bhaiya or should I call him just by his name or what? So that is how we met initially. When I started working in Gurgaon, he was also already based in Delhi. So somehow we started talking again. I wanted to go out for a drive actually. And he had a nice Fortuner with him, with a nice 3300 number. So I was like, I want to go for a drive. It's at 10 o'clock at night. So he comes at 10 o'clock at night. And so he leaned in for a hug. I was just like, just a handshake would be fine. And we came back at like 5 o'clock in the morning.
At that time there was no like spark or something, but I knew that she's a good girl. And
अच्छे संस्कारों वाली
अच्छे संस्कारों वाली, yeah, okay, you can say that.
Being Himanshu's sister, I always had the curiosity that who would Himanshu's girlfriend be, and he'd been traveling around the world. Shraddha wasn't in any of his, profile pictures or the tag pictures or anything. So we had no clue about this girl.
And I got to know about it when these guys made their plan to travel to Bhutan. And that's when she revealed to me that there's something happening here and I'm taking a trip with this guy. So this might be it.
He never really asked me anything like, would you want to date me? Would you want to get married or something? We just started dating. Things started happening and we just started discussing कि भाई शादी कहाँ करेंगे? शादी गोवा में करेंगे, इतने लोगों को बुलाएंगे. And that is when we figured it out. Acha, okay, we are getting married to each other.
So, I mean, I feel bad that I didn't really like ask her out or something, but you know, I compensated that by taking her to New York and, you know, getting a good photo shoot done and like, you know, fake propose her there, you know, do the whole proposing thing again.
दोनों श्रद्धा और हिमांशु थोड़े से वियर्ड तो है ही, मैंने पहले भी बताया, पर एक बार ही तो इन लोगों ने कमाल ही कर दिया. ये लोग ऐसी किसी अनजान की शादी में गए.
We went there. He had the kulfi there. I had the Chinese food again. We actually asked the photographer also to click a picture.
मतलब अगर वो दोनों ऐसा कर सकते हैं तो आई थिंक वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
That's a bit of a balance that we have. Like if I am like, you know, loud, he's the calmer one. So if I'm getting hyper, he'll be the one who will, you know, calm me down.
People tend to not like the other person's weird habits, but it's weird that we like each other's weird habits. You know, that's the whole weirdness about it.
Okay, let me just think for this answer. Give me 2 minutes.
He's actually brought out travel side in me, which I always wanted to, but I couldn't do.
To be very honest, Himanshu's wardrobe is already changing. He started wearing different things. He started wearing different types of shoes.
She's more focused in life. She's more interactive. She's more confident. He brings a lot of positive influence to Shraddha's life.
I think the only change has been that, you know, her trips to like clubs and lounges has like really decreased. She ends up going to more like, you know, sober places.
Hi-fi restaurants where he listened to Sufi music with a whiskey glass in his hand, and I'm just thinking, okay, I am old now.
She's always had this bubble in her head, like a fairy tale going around her, that she wants to be treated like a princess, and I hope Himanshu treats her like that only.
और इस सपने को और संवारने और निहारने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मैंने दी थी मेरे को होस्ट रिद्धि डोगरा को. Now, how did Riddhi add that element of glamour into this fairy tale wedding? देखिए.
Thank you, Rudy. I'm sure you're having a lot of fun, but I'm also going to have a lot of fun because I'm at my favorite place in the whole wide world, the Aza Fashion House. Okay, so I'm waiting for Himanshu and Shraddha to walk in any moment, and we're going to shop for their reception outfit. I know they're a little worried, but I'm not so worried because Aza Fashion House houses the best designers from all over the country. So even if you're a shopaholic or you don't like shopping, this is the right place because you don't have to worry about anything.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Very good.
Hello.
My name is Riddhi and I'm very happy to meet both of you finally.
Likewise.
And how does it feel? You're finally in Bombay और Aza store पे हैं हम. कैसा लग रहा है?
Like, I'm really excited to be here. Like so many clothes around here. Like if I could, I would want to pick each and every piece actually. And I wish I could have a walk-in closet like this. Like in my office also, I keep on surfing on Aza Fashions all day long when I don't have work. And I've bookmarked so many of the outfits also because then I keep on figuring, acha, when his sister has a baby, then what would I be wearing? When my cousin sister gets married, what would I be wearing then? So I'm sorted for the next 5 weddings or events that are gonna happen over here. But I wish I really could show you the outfits so that you could help me out pick one.
We can because we've got this iPad. Why don't you tell me what you bookmarked?
Okay. See.
That's amazing that you bookmarked all these and we can actually sit in the Aza Fashion store and see them and you can see them live and even try them out, right?
Yes.
So the person behind Aza Fashions and the person who is responsible for this store and for making every girl's dream come true, literally.
I'm feeling nervous already.
Well, she's here.
We're excited to meet.
Yes, Alka ma'am, she's here with us.
When I started Aza way back in 2005, our desire was to fulfill the client's expectations, to dress up well for each and every occasion that one may want to go to the best of their own capacity and our abilities. We have client-friendly pricing, we have body-friendly outfits, and We are a friendly bunch of people over here. So, welcome to Mumbai.
Thank you so much.
Happy to see you finally over
Happy
here.
to see you too.
Yes.
They call each other the weird couple. And I really want you to tell ma'am about that.
So his weirdness and my weirdness together, it forms a mutual weirdness bubble.
That sounds like fun. Otherwise, it gets so boring, right?
Yeah, that's true.
So let's keep your weirdness a secret and let's move on to the outfits. Let's quickly get to know what you have to say about what you feel for them. So Shraddha has chosen a few color palettes, blue and white.
Yes.
There's
gold and ivory as well.
gold and ivory, there's black and white,
Black and
and
white.
there's mint green.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So what do you think?
You have chosen softer color palette, bit unusual. It shows that you are little hatke.
Like even though it's an Indian wedding, but our reception we are trying to make it, trying to have like an American reception. Like we like have a first dance, we'll have speeches and everything.
We just want to make sure that, I'm really comfortable dancing. I can't really dance. So I need clothing which, is good for dancing. And at the same time, it matches the color palette which she chooses.
If you observe your blue and white color palette, the peach and gold, the mint green, I feel something in muted color will uplift the whole evening. So are you guys ready for the outfits?
Meeting Alka ma'am was amazing. She is a really experienced person.
It felt as if I have like some mentor over there. Ki, okay, I know nothing can go wrong over here.
I had read the brief about them. I had understood who they are, where they come from. But meeting them was so energizing. They are so enthusiastic. So let's go and try the outfits.
Yes.
Come on. Excited?
Yes.
Here she comes.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Stunning. This looks
What do you
really
think?
Nice.
I don't want to change it first.
It's looking beautiful on you.
So I will be introduced to the world as Mrs. Mittal for the first time. So I wanted the outfit to just blend with it.
Wow.
Oh my god.
The motif of peacocks, it'll never go out of style. No matter wherever you go, even in your American style wedding. If you have a wedding in America, you can wear this.
The outfit that I tried in the end, that was like, yes, this is it.
Dulhe Raja.
Dulhan is waiting for you.
I wish I knew how to listen.
I think when my friends are gonna see me in the wedding outfit that I've chosen here at Aza, they would be like, it's beautiful, elegant, suits the concept.
Like you finally look like a human being.
Yeah, finally I look like a human being.
Can we have the gifts, please?
Finally, I get to wear something that I've been wanting to wear since a very long time. The best part was the box that I'm getting the outfit in. That is so cute.
I did not really enjoy wedding shopping until I came to Aza.
You lied.
No, I didn't.
You told me you enjoyed shopping with me.
Oh yeah, I lied back then.
It's been a really happy shopping day if you ask me, because Himanshu and Shraddha have successfully picked the outfit of their choice for the reception. And now we are going to go right across the street to Tanishq, where Shraddha's mom is waiting for us for them to pick the jewelry to wear at the wedding. Let's go. Okay, how is it feeling? हम तनिष्क पहुंच गए हैं. आपकी mom अंदर wait कर रही है.
I'm getting excited.
Yeah, now
I'm really excited.
jewelry. Come on. नमस्ते आंटी.
हेलो बेटी, नमस्ते।
आपके बेटा और बेटी को ले आई हूँ मैं. So आंटी, हम अभी इसका रिसेप्शन का आउटफिट श्रद्धा का सिलेक्ट करके आए हैं और अब हम वेडिंग के लिए ज्वेलरी सिलेक्ट करने वाले हैं. So what do you have in mind? क्या सोचा है? What kind of jewelry?
So I always wanted to wear like a choker set with it. So since I was a kid, I've seen like, so many actresses and models wearing choker sets.
The good news, Shraddha, is that Tanishq is modern yet blends in tradition into their designs. So whatever it is that you've seen actresses wear, I bet you will find even better designs here. And what you love about it is how beautifully crafted these pieces are. तनिष्क की बहुत अच्छी कलेक्शन निकली है कॉल्ड तनिष्क रिवा एंड बहुत स्वीट है इसके पीछे द इंस्पिरेशन आई फाइंड इट पर्सनली वेरी स्वीट देव एक्चुअली मेड इट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रिवाज एंड विवा दैट्स व्हाई रिवा आई थिंक इट्स रियली स्वीट बिकॉज Indian weddings are known for that.
I'm excited for the jewelry.
It's here. Wow.
Which one do you like, Shraddha?
I like all. Let's try them.
Let's try them. Let's try them one by one. You know what, Shraddha? These chokers are beautiful, but you'll also get all the other pieces like the mang tikka, bangles, nut, everything that makes you the beautiful North Indian bride.
I wanted to help her pick up jewelry that would go with the Aza outfit for the reception.
But at the same time, I wanted to surprise her. And so I decided that, to make an excuse of a phone call and get up in the middle. Okay, I'm getting a phone call. I think I'll just be back.
Manchu?
Just give me 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm timing you.
यार, you're going to swipe his cards, na? He has to take these phone calls. Business calls तो लेना बहुत जरूरी है. Beautiful.
I love it. But my only apprehension is I don't know if this cut would suit the neck, the blouse. So because that's a sweetheart type of a thing. So I don't want this to cover up my neck.
Do you also want to try earrings like these? These are also from Tanishq.
Oh my god, they're so nice.
Yeah, they look really nice, matlab, they're like studs and very young and also at the same time they sit on the ear so well that nobody will ever miss them. It's nicely visible.
But I think so I'll go for something with a dangling effect.
Yeah. Of course, whatever the bride says.
Which one you want to try now?
Let's try this one.
What do you think?
I felt as if a little girl's dream has come true, that finally her wedding day has arrived and she can pick whatever jewelry she wants and she'll just look stunning. The whole experience, sitting there, being around so many brilliant designs, trying them out one by one. Where's Himanshu? I thought he could help me pick it out.
Wait. We don't want Bridezilla on this show, so I'm going to get Himanshu quickly.
Yes, please do.
Excuse me? What's happening? You said you are making some calls. That's what you told Shraddha. Pata hai Shraddha kitni upset hai?
Actually, I was just looking for jewelry for her. We are for the reception function because I'm planning to surprise her. So don't tell her this. So, but the problem is I can't decide which one to pick. Shraddha likes big pieces of jewelry with drops. Tanishq had a lot of options which actually fulfill these two criteria.
And not expected, na? She has no idea.
No idea at all.
Lovely.
Yes.
Please pack कर दीजिए हिमांशु के लिए. Shraddha,
Where are you?
I was taking some calls.
But Himanshu, you have missed. हमने बहुत अच्छे sets try किए. We tried this one. बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था श्रद्धा पे.
Right.
And this is the second set.
This looks really beautiful.
Yeah? I really like this. Okay.
Hard decision.
It is much more harder than finding a groom.
आंटी आपको क्या कहना है? चोकर.
But मेरे लिए तो कुंदन ही preferable है because I like Kundan very much. But as usual, she will tell we are just opposite.
No, but I think choker would be better for this.
So
but
whatever.
आप क्यों नहीं ले लेते कुंदन?
But I'm different type, not like her.
This is perfect for you, Mama.
Oh, this is very nice. It is light also.
Elegant and decent.
Heavier than what you usually wear.
I know.
But this is very nice.
Shraddha's mom initially was deciding to wear something out of her own collection.
I like very simple and elegant type of things.
I had made up a mind that at least for my wedding, I want to see her dressed up. Yes, she's the bride's mother.
जब वहाँ जाके मैंने देखा, I was very happy कि तनिष्क पे मेरी choice की चीज मिल गई.
Okay, I think I've made my choice.
You have?
Yes.
No. Wait. Do not tell us which one you've selected. I know you're very excited. आंटी आप भी बहुत excited हो. मैं भी बहुत excited हूँ. लेकिन bride है और bride इतनी जल्दी कैसे दिखा देगी कि उसको क्या पसंद आया, right? So we have to wait for the wedding day to see which one of these beautiful pieces from Tanishq Riva Shraddha has selected and how she is going to look. उसके लिए देखते रहिए.
Finally begun. So many months of hard work and we can actually see it all here.
हिमांशु तो अपनी शादी को लेके इतने एक्साइटेड है, मैंने तो आज तक कोई दूल्हा नहीं देखा जो इतना एक्साइटेड हो शादी करने के लिए।
Hi, that's Akriti. So she's one of my best friends. We've been together since, you know, the Kuch Kuch Hota Hai hairstyle was famous. We've been together since then.
The most special and endearing thing about them is the parents are chilling and sipping beer over here, and they're doing all the running around. They're making it happen for themselves, and they've been preparing for it since a year.
जब हमें पता चला शादी गोवा में, oh my God, we were so relaxed कि we are going to enjoy. These two guys have done a lot.
So ये है one of the many huddies in the huge kebab. He is Gabby, who is actually the bride's brother. So how are you feeling that your sister is getting married?
I'm rest assured that she's going to a good house, so no tension is that. Himanshu is an amazing guy. The first time we met, the guy gifted me a bottle of Shivas.
अरे
I said, यार भाई ये होना चाहिए.
तो खुश हो गया होगा.
हम सब हैप्पी है, वो खुद बहुत हैप्पी है, बहुत ही ध्यान से उसने he's taken care of everything.
I'm just happy how things are going to turn out. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to get to wear my jewelry and the lehenga. So I'm just excited for that.
For us, it's amazing to be here. Really.
I'm just excited to see everyone come to Goa, have a good time, you know, wish us all the best, give us blessings.
Shadi Mubarak ho.
This is just the beginning. क्योंकि असली धमाल तो तब होगा जब हिमांशु and Shraddha will take their first step to becoming man and wife, which is the engagement. तो उनको तैयार होने का टाइम देते हैं और आप और मैं लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. तो बजाना क्यों छोड़ दिया? बजाओ यार.
हम लोगों सारे कजन्स ने प्लान किया कि we'll do this cheap song एकदम. हिमांशु तो you know, उसको तो ऐसी हरकत दिख जाती हो तो पागल हो जाता है.